So you might be in a position where for some reason your keyboard is just not working with your iPad. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, potentially your keyboard that you're using for your iPad that normally works or maybe has never worked is now working at all with your iPad. So the very first thing I would recommend doing is making sure your iPad was completely connected to your specific keyboard. Now, not every single keyboard is compatible with iPads, but I would probably argue a lot of them are, including a lot of Bluetooth keyboards. So all you're going to want to do is just make sure that the keyboard that you're using is fully compatible with your iPad and that you connected it. For each keyboard, it's a different process. Like for these keyboards, I don't even know. I think I have to connect them wirelessly or something like that. So just make sure that is the case. If you have the keyboard folio case, usually you can just connect them and they'll automatically be connected. If not, you will have to manually pair them. So just make sure you've already done that with your iPad. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may have to do is make sure that the keyboard that you're using is fully turned on. There's a lot of times where maybe the keyboard that you're using, maybe it wasn't configured properly, but maybe it's not on, maybe you didn't charge it. Those are some other things you're probably going to have to consider as well. There's a charging port right here for a lot of these, keyboards. So just make sure you charged it up. And that is another thing you can try doing as well, which honestly, I would highly recommend doing. Keeping it charged up while you're using it can probably make sure that's not a battery issue. Now, if that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing on top of this is pretty much going through and seeing if there's an update available for your iPad. So what you can do here is you can just go into your iPad settings like here. You can click on software update, and all you want to do is go and update your specific software of your iPad, and that might end up fixing the problem too. It's not a guarantee, but it's another thing you can try doing which may end up fixing it as well. Now, if that's still not working, you may just want to go ahead and double check your Bluetooth connections. So make your way over to your Bluetooth connection settings of your iPad, and all you want to do is just make sure that the keyboard, is fully compatible there. If you never paired it up or it's not showing, then it's probably a problem with your keyboard rather than your iPad. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.